feeling that was going. I got my Team Karate Kronos XTR 2022. Haven't read this thing in a while. Don't really have any upgrades, just the roof protection on there. That roof protection and the front protection. Yeah, this thing is a beast. I'm running 2 Power Hobby batteries. Oh, about to kill me. This thing is a beast. Hopefully I don't break it. Whoa. Little baby jumps ain't doing nothing. Try, cause this car's so overpowered, man. I need a real big jump. Team Karate tough. It look like they're in my spot, so I can't really do nothing back there. I had a feeling that was going. I had a feeling somebody was gonna be back there. Let me see. Yeah, they in the spot. No, they good. Yeah. I better take it easy. This thing, well, I got fans on here now, so she should be all right. Oh, look like I lost the light. Ooh. Let's see if I can hit this in the right spot. I think it's right there. Up. Knock the batteries loose. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get this jump. I want to try the Kagama out though. He said it's stronger than this, but yeah, I can't get it right. Blew out my light, broke my wing. This is a spot right here. Let's get some major air. Here we go. It's gonna wind up broke though. All right, this is my last time trying because I'm gonna wind up breaking this. Oh man, I started off wrong as it is. That's it. I guess that's as good as it's gonna get. Whoa. She shut down, she overheated. But that's cool. I gotta yeah, here we go. She's overheated. Steering is conking out on me. Look. I'll tell you. And I believe this is a good servo. Let me check to see what kind of stuff I got in here. Alright, what I got as a servo, I got a I have no clue what kind of servo this is. Well, obviously it's not a good servo. No, well, it's the servo saver. Yeah, it's the servo saver. See, the servo saver is... No, well, the servo saver kind of on point there, but okay. Yeah, just wanted to bring her out and bash this real quick. See all these cut up wires. I got a lot of repairs to do on this car. I haven't, because what I'm starting to do, what I should been doing, I don't check my vehicles before I go out and run them half the time. I just go out and bash. Should have checked this and I would have known. Yeah, but I use this basically Team Korali system, which I have no problem with. They servos usually pretty good. Yeah, servos pretty good. They servos aren't the best, but they aren't bad as most ready to runs. As for this system, the Team Korali system in use, I never had a problem with the ESCs. Only one. You figure I say only one out of 5, and that was excessive. Cause like I overgear. I ain't gonna lie, I overgear my cars. And it's like the system can't take it, and after a while it burn out, which I understand. But as always, hit that like button, that notification bell, and I'm out.